Priya, what are the receptors for skin? It is thermoreceptors. Okay. Hormones. First, let's see pineal hormone. This is gland. Okay. This it secretes hormone. Okay, which helps the body to see check the body for the day and night, the sleeping pattern. Okay, this pineal gland. Next, we have hypothalamus. Let's see this hypothalamus. What's it? Where is it present? Here in the brain, this part. And it produces which type of hormone? Releasing hormone and inhibitory hormone. What's its work? It regulates the secretion of hormones from the pituitary gland. From here, the hormone comes, right? So this hypothalamus will regulate it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, let's see pituitary hormone, pituitary gland. In that there are two types of pituitary, okay? Anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary, what we have here? Two kinds of, here we have two pituitary, okay? Here only we have, here in this place, what does it secrete? This anterior pituitary, it secretes growth hormone. This growth hormone only helps in the growth of the body. Okay, if there is disorder, so if this growth hormone secretion is less, what happens? Okay, and if this hormone secretion is more, okay, what happens? Gigantism. Here you see this is dwarfism and this here is gigantism. Okay, all the growth hormone. Okay, and where is it? Which gland secretes it? Pituitary gland. And which side? Anterior pituitary. Okay, next here there are other glands also. We have prolactin. So this hormone, what does it secrete? Anterior pituitary, prolactin. So this prolactin, what it does? It helps in milk formation and secretion, okay, for the mammals in the mammillary gland. Then many more hormones we have, okay, these two I have told. Next, in the posterior pituitary, we have which hormone? Oxytocin. This helps in the childbirth. This hormone is secreted only in the case of pregnancy, okay. Then what do we have? Thyroid gland, this thyroid. What does it secrete? It secretes thyroxine. Which hormone? Thyroxine. Now this thyroxine, what does it do? It helps in the metabolism, growth and differentiation of the tissues. So if the level of thyroxine is less, what will happen? Goiter will occur, okay? Next, it also secretes one more thing, calcitonin. What does it do? Okay, it helps in the movement of calcium ion from the blood to the bone. Next, which hormone? Pancreas. Which gland? Pancreas. And what does it secrete? Pancreas, usually what do they have, you know? They have hormone secreting cell. Hormone secreting cell, it is called islet of Langerhans. Okay, so this here we have, these cells are called what? Beta cells, alpha cells, and one more, delta. This islet of Langerhans has beta cells, alpha cells, delta cells. These cells, what do? They secrete hormone. This beta cell secretes which hormone? Insulin. Okay, what is its work? It lowers the blood sugar level. Next we have alpha cell. What does it secrete? Glucagon. And what's its work? It raises blood sugar level. And in case of insulin, if there is less secretion of insulin, what will happen? Diabetes. Next, delta cells, somatostatin. This is the hormone this delta cell secretes, and its work, it inhibits secretion of insulin and glucagon. Okay, this you guys understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, which gland we have? Adrenal. Okay, this adrenal, will do it here. adrenal. It has two parts, okay? Adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. So you have seen here, right? This part. This is our adrenal gland, and inside that we have two layers. Okay, inside layer is called what? Medulla, and the out this layer, what is it called? It is called cortex. So cortex secretes aldosterone, and this medulla, what does it secrete? It secretes adrenaline. This aldosterone, what's its work? It regulates the sodium and potassium concentration. So let's see response to adrenaline. We'll talk about the body parts and the effect of that adrenaline, then its advantage, then effect or sensation in our body. Body part, heart. 1 minute, let me use some other color. I'll just write short and biological advantage. Next we have, or you can say, sensation. How does the body feels? When we are in emergency situation, adrenal hormone will be put in the bloodstream. What will happen in the heart? It will beat faster, and blood pressure will increase. Then what's its advantage? What will happen? So more glucose and oxygen will be sent to muscles. How do we feel at that time? Our heart will be thumping. We could hear our heart. Next, the breathing center of our brain, because brain has different centers for different activities. So at that center, what will happen? Faster and deeper breathing. So there will be more oxygen coming in the blood, and rapid removal of, what can you say, rapid removal of CO2, and our action will be panting. Then this arterioles of the skin, what will happen there? There will be constriction. That means what will happen? Less blood will go to the skin. That means the person will be appearing pale. Then muscle of the body. No, one more thing is there. This arterioles of the digestive system. Arterioles are what? Arteries, smaller arteries. Here also constriction will happen. That means it will get smaller. So less blood will flow to digestive system. In this case, what is the feeling? Dry mouth. Lastly, let's see muscles. Muscles of the body. It will be tensed. Okay, that means it is ready for the action. Here the sensation will be tense feeling or shivering. Then in liver, what will happen? There will be conversion of glycogen to glucose. This glucose will be available in the blood for energy production. For this, there is no sensation in the body. Next, we have fat deposit, where there is fat, right? Fat storage. From there, what will happen? There will be conversion of fat into fatty acid. So this fatty acid will be available in the blood. For what? For muscle contraction, that is movement of the muscle. So these all are the activities which is happening in case of emergency situation. In emergency response, these all things are happening. Okay, got it? Any doubt here? Next, let's see which hormone we have. Ovaries and testes, right? So this ovaries and testes, what is its work? Let's see. This testis is only present in male. It secretes which hormone? Sex hormone, which is known as testosterone. This helps in the control of male sex hormone, and male. During puberty, the male feature, it controls that also. And it also makes sperm. Next, this last hormone is ovary. It is only found in females, and it secretes hormone, two sex hormone. One is estrogen, the other one is progesterone. So what's the work of estrogen? It helps in the control of female sex organs and female features during the puberty. right? And this progesterone, during the pregnancy, right, the changes in the uterus, it happens due to this. It also helps in the maintenance of pregnancy. This ovary, it makes what? Ova. Testis, sperm. Both are gametes. Got it? Now let's compare what to nervous system and endocrine system. Nervous system, let's see where should I be? Here. And endocrine system, that is hormone system. The nervous system are made up of nerve cells, right? Neurons. And this endocrine system, it is made up of glands. Here, messages are transmitted in the form of electrical impulse. Here, our message is transmitted by chemicals, which are known as hormones. Here, how it is transmitted? Through the nerve fibers, right? Along the nerve fibers. Here, bloodstream. Here, messages will travel very quickly. Here, more slowly. Only in the case of adrenal gland only it is fast. Others, it is very slow. Here, the effect will last for short while of message. And here, it lasts longer. Got it? Any doubt here? Understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For this feedback mechanism, very simple thing. Let's see. This is for feedback mechanism. It is mechanism that regulates the hormone secretion of hormone. It's like this: too much, slow down; too little, speed up. This is the mechanism. If there is less hormone, okay, what will happen? The speed of the hormone secretion will speed up. If there is less hormone, if there is too much hormone, what will happen? The secretion of the hormone, whichever hormone, will slow down. So this mechanism helps the body to maintain normal state. And how does this? This is the normal state. If it's not there, if it is in increased state, there will be command to fall down. That means slow down. The secretion of that hormone will be slowed down. And if there is too little, that time speed up. This thing you understood, right? Most of our body mechanism, right, is negative feedback. Too little, speed up. This kind of mechanism. And the positive feedback mechanism, this one, is very rare. Few. Okay, this happens during contraction in the childbirth. Okay, that's all. Okay, in the next class, we'll talk about the plant hormones. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Then bye bye. See you in the next class.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.